Today we will do questions from exercise 13.2, chapter exponents and powers. So let's see, this is question number 3. You have to tell whether the statement are true or false, and then you have to justify your answer. So let's see the first part of this question. So here the first part says, so this is your first part, 10 into 10 to the power 11 equals to 100 to the power 11. Okay, so first we will take the left hand side. So let's solve the left hand side. So here in the left hand side, what we have, 10 into 10 to the power 11. So what will be the value of that? So you know that if the base are same, so you can add the powers. So it will be 1 plus 11. So your left hand side will give you 10 to the power 12. Okay, now we will solve the right hand side. Okay, so let's see the right side. In the right side, what we have? On the right side, we have 100 to the power 11. So there is no need to solve that one. So here, see, this value will give you 1, and after 1 there will be 12 zeros, but this means it will be 100 to the power 11 means there will be how many zeros? 2 into 11 zeros means there will be 1, and after that there will be so many zeros, so the zeros will be 22. But in this, how many zeros will be there? There will be 12 zeros. So are these equal? No. So the statement is not true. It is false. Okay, so the same way we will try to do our second part. So in the second part we have, see the second part is 2 to the power 3. In the second part we have 2 to the power 3 greater to 5 square. So let's solve this question. Now here again we will take the left side. So what we have in the left side, we have 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and right side what we have 5. So 5 into 5 is 25, that you know, and this value is 8. So is 8 greater to 25? No. So this statement is also false. Now let's see the third part. So this is your third part, 2 to the power 3 into 3 square equals to 6 to the power 5. Okay, so here again we will solve the left side, and then we will solve the right side. So the left side, this means 2 to the power 3. So the 2 to the power 3 means 2 is multiplied 3 times. 3 square means 3 is multiplied 2 times. Okay, so this will give you 8 into 9. So in your left hand side, what we will get? 72. Now we will solve our right side. So in the right side, what we have? So in the right side we have 6. How many times? 5 times. So it is 6 into 6 into 6. So here it is 6 5 times. So 5 times 6 will give you, so if you multiply this, you will get 776. Okay, so that means, are these values equal? No, these are not equal. Here also you can see the powers are different, so, and the bases are also different, so none of the exponents law can be applied here. If it would be 3, so that time you can make it 3. That time if it would be 3, so in that case you can add the powers, but here the bases are different and the powers are also different, so we cannot apply any of the exponent law. So this way we will solve this question. Now let's see the fourth part. So in the fourth part, what we have? So in the fourth part we have 3 to the power 0 equals to 1000 to the power 0. Now the one law you know, that if a to the power 0 is there, so that value is 1. So here this value will be 1, and this raised to the power 0 will be also 1. So only this statement is true and all the other statements are false.